Welcome back to another video where I'll guide you through resolving a Twitter error on your Android device. If you've encountered the message something is not right, try your request again later, don't worry. I'll walk you through the steps to fix it quickly. To start, navigate to your Android phone's settings. Scroll down until you find the Apps option and click on it. Then, select Manage Apps in the search bar, type X to locate the Twitter app. Once you see Twitter, tap on it to open the app info. Next, click on Force Stop and confirm by clicking OK. After that, select Clear Cache and again confirm by clicking OK. Now, click on Clear All Data and confirm once more by clicking OK. Ensure that all app permissions are allowed by clicking on App Permissions. If any permissions are not allowed, toggle them to Allow. Navigate back to the main settings menu by clicking back, scroll down and select Restrict Data Usage. Check the boxes next to both Wi-Fi and mobile data and click OK. Finally, restart your phone to complete the process. By following these steps, you should have successfully resolved the Twitter error on your Android device. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive notifications for my upcoming videos.